This song is about Anansi, the clever spider, who realizes he does not have all the wisdom in the world. He realizes wisdom is to be shared. I hope you like it.
Anansi, the clever spider, thought he could keep wisdom in a clay pot, tied it till his belly started to climb. But the pot blocked his way, oh what a bind. Wisdom can't be contained. It's meant to be shared, not hidden away. Wisdom, it's all around, in every creature, in every sound. His son called out, move it to your back. Anansi realized his wisdom he did lack. He thought he knew it all, but he was wrong. True wisdom is learning all life long. Wisdom can't be contained. It's meant to be shared, not hidden away. Wisdom, it's all around, in every creature, in every sound. So let's open our hearts and minds, share what we know, and we will find that wisdom grows when it's set free. From you to me, from me to thee. Anansi dumped the pot on the ground. Wisdom scattered all around. For young and